On our recent Holland America Tale of the South Pacific on the Zaandam, we hit 4 Hawaiian islands. This is the island of Kauai. I really did enjoy the bird life. I'm a birder. I wasn't expecting to see so many birds just there. Here we have in Kona, these little birds are all over where the restaurants are. My favorite one was a saffron finch. I've got billions of pictures of them. They're really cute little birds. I caught one feeding its baby. It was just really a great experience.
It's feeding him. It's his baby. It's huge. How sweet.
Here, this sweet little common waxbill. We've seen those in China before. They're really beautiful little birds. And I was stalked by a sparrow. Common sparrows, they're all over the place. They're my buddies. I see them everywhere. We have the common myna, something I don't think I've seen in many other places. And of course another zebra dove. They're cute. They have a lot of zebra doves. They have a lot of doves. I don't think I've really seen a pigeon. It's red-crested cardinal. We found him. This is on the island of Oahu on the north shore. By the little snorkel beach there. We went to a food court and we found this, a red junglefowl, otherwise known to me as a rooster, but red junglefowl sounds good too. Kind of a exotic chicken.
You are a dove. Doves do not beg. I guess they do in Hawaii.
This is in Waikiki. And these I thought were pigeons, they're doves. Go figure. It looks like a pigeon to me. Maybe that's their name for it.
This is the best sounding tree in all of Waikiki. I have seen at least 5 different birds here. It's a special place.
I spent a whole half of an hour trying to get this bird. It was flitting all over the trees. Finally, he decided to grace me with his presence. It's like he knew I was there. We went to the Maui tropical plantation where we saw this night heron. I saw those all through Indonesia. I never was close up to one. The Maui Tropical Plantation is a great place to go see birds. They have a little pond there. They have all these birds. Nenes. They have nenes. It is a super secret place to go see nenes. I've never seen a nene in the wild. I've seen plenty of pictures of them. But they have nenes here. They have them that are marked, and then those that aren't marked. They have little bands on them. I have a feeling that the unmarked ones have just come to stick around because there's lots of really good bird food there. It was a pleasure feeding them. They're a nice little goose. I raise geese, and I love them. And this, I haven't seen a baby chicken in forever. And of course, they have ducks. It's a wonderful place to go. And this is it, the end of our Birds of Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed it.